First YouTube video. Need to make a clamp for my phone. I'm gonna strip this down and use light for my lathe. As you can see, I've got a lot of projects. I've got this fish tank line at the minute. It's a bit garbage, to be fair. So some of my projects what I'm going to be doing on my videos when I start putting them on. Steam engine, little mammoth steam engine. What I plan on putting in this boat here. So, oh shit, I just broke that. Plan on putting this engine in and powering it somehow. See if I can get reverse as well, or whatever it is. What's that? I don't know. What else have I got? Oh yeah, this will be me next project. I mean, second project probably. It's a Seco 70s fitted day date with chime as well. I've already done changed glass to perspex, and I've got this clocking in clock I've already got running, but I need to make a faceplate for it and just clean it up. It's an 8 o'clock this, I love it. I'm stuck on everything. So look, it's a bit dusty. Look at this. What a beauty. My favourite clock I've got, and I've got quite a lot on it. Time machine clock. What else have I got? I've got projects everywhere. Plane, nitro plane, what I plan on turning to brushless. I've got all parts everywhere for them. I've already put that together. A dumper. I think this is a Tamiya rail where I found at a market for a £5, which were an absolute bargain. And I'm going to build all lot from scratch, probably even down to tyres. I'm my 3D printing most of the parts, but with a metal chassis. What else have I got? I'm trying to think, I've got that much stuff. I've got skateboards hiding up here, some vintage ones. Braille. This is a cool one. We've got T-Marks, HPI there. The scooter project, I don't know why I bought that. Oh, I've got this. This big pillar drill I need to clean up and get running. It runs, but I mean, I need to build a stand out of this steel stock. Oh, I've got a canopy for house to build. I've already made these. These have been in here 5 months, I reckon. Which I cut out myself and burnt it. Probably put some beeswax on it, and this is all timber for it. I've got all rosemary tiles outside the garage. These are a cool little thing. Right, bit of kit. It's my it's for watchmaking and clocks and precision stuff really. This is, I've already drilled a few gears and put a few pins in stuff. Electric stuff. Chinese diesel heaters, another one down there. I've got solar panels to put on my garage. Yeah, and she does run on pure oil, used oil. It runs on almost anything apart from water. Fishing gear, which is just taking way too much room up. I've got way too much, as you can see. I can't even move for it. Yeah, so let's crack on with this, I reckon. But I've got no to hold my phone with, so this is what I'm doing for my first video, really. I want to somehow make this thing into a... I'm going to use this foot lathe and do away with that fish tank one. This works, and it's bang on. I can get it all, I can put it anywhere. And then put a clamp on this where I can just clamp it to anywhere. Oh yeah, I'm going to do these as well for a mate of mine. This is a tester one. Well, I'm going to heat press it for him to get kinks out of it. I've done it myself already with vintage stuff and it works. But this is a dearer manual, booklet. It's quite kinked up, but he wants to sell it. So I'll try and get it nice and flat for him. It's a 25 quid manual, this. So it's probably for £5 as it is, and I'll probably get 20 quid for it when it's pressed. I'm doing it for free, so he's done me some good deals on some vintage. I also like vintage gaming stuff, and I've got lots and lots of it. You see all my control stuff. There's a Ducati there. I've also got that's an eco one, it's pretty rare, and I've got a Ducati one at house, and Thunder Tiger Nitro, which is pretty cool. I know I started off doing this, but I've got that much stuff. I just go from one thing to another. It baffles me. In fact, there's another project behind there what I never got finished. This is my Spectrum DX6i, which is pretty cool. This is I 3D printed this. What I planned on, I even started doing nails on it. Looks messy, but it won't look like that time I'd done with it, because it'd be having acrylics on it. This is going to be an animatronics, so it's going to stand like that, and I'm going to put all servos in it, and it'll just go and move. But I've got all latex stuff to turn it into a glove. Somewhere knocking about in here. There's that, obviously you can see there's that much stuff. There's that much stuff. What else have I got left before I start knocking that up? Yeah. I'll have a quick look from the toolbox. You can see there's diggers and all sorts on here. Helicopters. Another boat there. A drone there. What I got for a... How much I pay for that now? I think I get a tenner for it, or 15 quid. But it came with a full box of TVs and remotes and all sorts, and batteries, lipos, chargers. There's some tools. Shite drawer. Knife drawer. Punches. I don't know what that's doing in there. Mini screwdrivers and stones, other bits and bobs. Crap drawer. Other stuff like calipers, other measuring type gear, punches and other measuring type stuff, bits and bobs, O-rings, O-rings, well, just crackers, I've got more, heat shrink, stuff, O-rings, DeWalt tools, all sorts of stuff really. Getting it. Then my batteries for me when I do my solar panels. I've got 4 big black panels on my roof. It's another project that I'll be doing. I've got another 2 batteries, I think. So all the stuff and bits and bobs. Just junk stuff, I never use it. Another bits and bobs, heat testing stuff, multimeters. This is one of about 10 I've got. Heat stuff. Damp thing, I don't need that because I've got a better one. Sockets and torque wrenches, and sockets and bars. Screwdrivers and files. Pliers. Well, I've got more than this, I don't even know where they are. I think. So, torques and Allen wrenches. clamps and vice grips. I don't even know how to spring clamps, spanners, electric one there, which I can remember seeing on telly when I was a kid. I picked it up off car boot for like £1 or something. That's a tool I meant for. It's a bit bodged up, but my welder or welding crap, I had no gas, so I was just sticking my fork tops off on my KTM. Some good bits and bobs hiding in here, really. This looks pretty cool. All the other projects I need to do is rig all this up, speed, onto a quick change tool post. Because these are garbage, these, to be fair. Let me tell you, I don't know where the rest of that's gone. I think that's it actually. What is it? More stuff and lathe cutting stuff under there somewhere. There's all sorts down here I've just picked up off from markets and stuff. Some wheel spacers down here actually. I've got a gold pan under here, what I need to do. I want to go gold panning out river because I've been told I might find any gold, but even if I find a speck, I'll be happy with that. And I believe I'll find a speck. Yes, I plan on shifting this because I don't think I'll really use it. And put it pillar drill here somewhere and shift all this tyre changer out the road. This I need to get running. I said it run at market, but I did get it running, but only messing about with it. It's missing juice, aren't it? It went rev artful and just conks out. So I'm guessing it's a car problem. Well, I know it is. That's a project where I'll do, strip it down and get running. I need a leaf blow. I'll start doing it light now. I had to go and get my son a drink, so I'm choking. I've got a tickler throat. I don't know how I'm going to hold this phone. And I'm not going to be editing my videos, they're just going to be what they are. No messing. They go on as they go on. Right. I'm struggling, I need something to hold this. Smoke a cigar first. Right, let me have a think. Yeah, I like cigars. Big ones like Arnold Schwarzenegger's. We're making some room to be fair, so can't move for stuff. Oh yeah, I'm going to be replacing that clock with one I've got in my kitchen. I want to put that one in because I don't like one in the kitchen. Nice old clock, but it just seems a bit tacky compared to this. Obviously it's Japanese, so right, let's put you on pause a second. Lie down a minute. I think I'm going to use this clamp. Some glue. Oh, there's a ceramic. Not too much, can't reach that much crap in it. What some I think they're like ceramic beads for super glue. Oops. I don't know what's happening with this, it's going all sweaty and rusty. Refinish, clean stuff. Right, so I've got them, and some super glue, got some glue on here. Some of that filler stuff. Super glue. And some spanners to get this off. I'm going to be taking my arse off here just to hold this. I might have to put you on hold and then do this first. Unless I can hold this, rest it up somewhere. Hey, where can I rest this? Shit. I'm struggling here. Yeah. I could have done with another phone holder. Let's have a look. I'll get these out before I ruin them. I'll do them in a bit. I'll show you on this video though. This heat press for sublimation type stuff. I'll show you. It's pretty cool. Galaxy press. I've got another 2 of these in loft. Yeah, it's my first video of this, and if you haven't noticed already, I struggle with a bit of anxiety. Quite bad, to be honest, so I'm on meds for it. Shouldn't be really telling you this, but it is what it is. Pause in. Pause it now. So I got that off. Alright, oh, I got these through post today. Cutting off tool. Right, my plan on using that, and I'm just going to stick that on there, I think, so I've got some height on it, and I can just clamp that to out. It should be like, might stick a tie wrap on it and then glue it on us. Or I could put a nut on it and screw it on, but is it any point? I might put it further down actually. Does it need to be like that? Let's have a look. No, it doesn't. Or does it? I could always put it upside down. Or I might chop that. I might chop that bar. I might chop it. For now, I'll just put it on and I can always redo it, can I? Right, so let's have a look. Does that spin actually? Yeah, it does. Oh yeah, it does. So let's tie that there on here. Yeah, should work. Let's get some pliers. There's a nip. Oh, there's nip eggs. I don't know, that's for cheapos. I might put another one on here because I don't want to break my phone. Did it. I should be able to have this actually, shouldn't I? Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Bixby, what's that? There we go. Look at that. Sweet. Don't have to be pretty, you can't see it. I plan on making it permanent eventually, like, but I ain't got a clue about YouTube, so like I say, it's my first video. That's thought I like doing projects and I mess about with stuff all the time. So I thought I might as well record them, hadn't I? Look at this. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Right. Oh, I don't even need super glue. Might as well put that back. It's going up here. One crap corner. I really need to clean up in here. Ooh, look at these Shimano bait runners. I've got about 10 of them. Clean ones as well. Really nice old reels. So I need to take that off. This crap off. It does do a job, like, but it's just not. It's a bit pointless, really. Let's get rid of that off there. I'll leave that adapter on. I'll leave that on so I don't lose that. Gives me practice here. Let me see if my clamp works now. First time using it. Oh yeah, it looks great. It's not right screwdriver bit, but did job. So look, see, I can clamp it anywhere now. This could do with putting some grease on this actually, because it's going a bit. Some WD-40 on it, so it's going a bit. Actually works. So look. Oh yeah, I'll move that for a break. That. Oh yeah, much better. Oh, come right into that. Could do some grease on that and all. Much better. Night and day. Night and day. Big mouth Billy Bass. I don't know what's up here, don't work. Put that back up here. Yes. Right. That's one project done. No, two. Two in one. Second one. This is hard work. I'm always doing something. Even let me put that there. Then I talk to myself quite a bit. Even I'm trying to talk now, but it's hard to think of what to say. Right, let me pause that. And I'll stick this heater on. In fact, I'm going to stick it on. So it takes a good 15 minutes. What's that? Oh, to heat up. You see, it's on 49. I don't think it's on 49 degrees yet. I'll tidy these lathe bits away. And I'll come back and beat it up, and I'll show you before and afters. It's still heating up, but I thought I'd show you this. What I picked up at market where I went to, which I think is Ace, but I pushed that in by accident and popped the screen and that. So I need to take that off and get it back in somehow. It's a really cool CB. Yeah, so works, fully working, which is awesome. And this bit of kit, I love all like this old. I need to control this phone a bit better. Oh yeah, I've got another project here. So, ooh, let me show you. So this is going to be, I bought it with a bunch of cars. Yeah, get out of it. You see it ain't going on. Engine at nitro, but that didn't feel very clever. What's up with that? There's a bearing missing. I'm going to be turning this into brushless eventually. See how that works out. I reckon I can just get a motor straight in and just build them out. Get rid of that. I'll let Young'un use it. Yeah. It's an HPI. It's a decent chassis. I've got engine, but there's a few bits missing off it. Still not heated up. It's only at 49. You can see that. Well, probably the longest video I've ever done of my son. Feels a bit strange, like I'm at 26 minutes in. There's my iguana. Fell out my palm tree. I've moved it in here so the dog don't chew it up because she's a pain in the ass. I've got a pup and she's chewing everything up. Have a look, I'll show you. As you can see, I've got there's a playhouse I built for kids. Well, our playhouse sort of thing. I built it all off like floor. Some palms, bananas, ferns. I've got some giant rhubarbs that grow massive. I'll have to show you them in the video. And I'll show you my gaming stuff as well. I've got loads of vintage gaming. Quite a lot. I've got a nice collection. Game Boys, Mega Drives. Oops. Well, I want them. Trying to think what else I've got. I can show you while we're on here. Oh, yeah. Under there's the BMX. It's a good BMX. It's my babby, but now it needs new tyres. It's got a gyro on it, but I need some new forks for front. And I plan on turning it into, well, I'm not turning it into, I mean, I want to put hydraulic U-brakes on it. And I want to start doing a few stunts I used to do on our kids, like fakies and stuff like that. Gas ball down next to me heading. Let's get this out of the way. Put that back in there. I think this heat press is going to take a few. It's pretty cold today, so it'll obviously take a bit longer to heat up. But you can see what type of videos I'm going to be putting on. I've got a few more projects and all that I haven't told you about. There's like, I've got a vintage whacker. I've got a Lister Petter vintage diesel generator. What don't run? I think it's injector. But I've got a pop-off tool down there, so I can test injector and clean it all out, strip it down. Right, pause this for a minute. I think it's working perfect, this stand. %, she's on, and it gets to 185, but you don't want to be pressing this at 185, so I'll put it at 180 and I'll press it and then strap it down. It's Velcro strap, and then I'll leave it for a few hours so it don't walk back to shape. Leave it pressed down to go cool. I think this put my tools back. I think this video is going to be a bit garbage like, but obviously it's my first video in it, so I ain't got a clue what I'm doing. I don't know all about this subscribing crap. I just like watching YouTube videos, fixing stuff, and I watch Pixel, I think it's Pixel Game Squad, stuff like that. I like all sorts, fixing stuff. Put some flat bar down there. I might end up building a set of gates, composite gates, on a video. What else have I got? I think I'm showing you too much stuff. This, I don't know what's up with this. The TIG welder, it's been in bits probably. It's got to be 6-7 years. It's like it's on full power all the time. I think there's some kind of relay gone inside it, but I've tried finding it and I can't figure it out. It might be something's gone inside it. Look at my skateboard up here. It's got about 20 wheels. Let me show you. You can see up there, wherever it is there, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 14 wheels it's got. It's pretty cool. Oh, I don't even know I had this up here, I forgot about it. There's the vintage Tamiya. It's not a Frogger, is it? It's I forgot what you call it. It might be a Frogger actually. It's not a repot one, this is original. That's pretty cool. Bobby loves this. I'm going to take it out for a few years. I forgot we were up here. Oh crap. Need too much stuff right now, I'm getting stuck. Look how good this stand is, I can just clip it anywhere. Put that back up. Oh, I've got some Land Rover shells as well for some cars. Oh. Land Rover. Another Land Rover. My T-Max shell is up there. Let's have a look what temperature we're on, shall we? Can't wait to do that. BMX with hydraulic U-brakes. I'm looking forward to trying it. 140, 144. So we're not far off. Let's get in there. So yeah, I've got a bit of leak in my felt up there on the roof. Here's another little project I did, but it didn't work right clever. Oh look. I had a Dremel in it. It's a milling machine when I built it. There's other parts to it somewhere. That's a bit tight, some of that. Oh, there. Look. It's just too much movement in it. And then there's fine tuning outside here. But it did work. I built our telescopic camera. And I've got a clamp for it somewhere. But it's going to whip in on. I'll keep it just for sake of it, like, but right. Let's have a look where we are at the temperature. 163. I need to, you want to be putting paper down on this as well. So let's have a look. I'm going to do this one first because it's a cheaper book. I just want to put it on. I'm going to open it up to the middle page. I don't know why, I just feel like it'll do better. Stick that on there. And then that backwards, just try and get some more kink out of it. See if there's any folded pages, no. Take that off, stick that on there, move paper on top, put that back on there like that. As you can see, yep. It's not really tight, that, so let's adjust it. Get a bit more crush on it. Lucky thing. Oh yeah. Wait, strap that down. So a little pocket set up and when it tightens up. Still got my dressing gown on because it's pretty cold. And this is my garage out if you're thinking it's a bit dirty. Full vintage sweat. Let's back over here a bit. I'm going to leave them in for longer. I'm just giving them a tester. Well, not this one, but this specialist Zelda one. Oh. 36 minutes. I can't believe I've been talking crap for 36 minutes basically. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh yeah. Look at that. Woo! Flat as a pancake. I could have something to hold that down, to be fair. And it's not even been in for long. Ooh, it's hot. Very hot. Very hot. Yeah, so she works. I need to put some back in here. Oh, what's that? I'm gonna put that on there. I'm gonna put some of these metal plates on it just to keep it flat. Like this. Because if you don't, it will flex back. I'll do. Let's put a box of screws on it as well. Yeah, I'll probably do that for this one. Right, do that again now. What next one? Does that seem to work good and it's not even been on long? What I'm going to do first is I'm going to keep the machine turned on and then turn it off because it's got a magnetic thing on it. Get that pressed down like that. Static paper already. Right, put that in there. I'll have to readjust it because it's a thicker book. I can see the impression it makes on paper, look at that. Crazy. Very. Down there. I probably look like a madman. I feel like a madman. Oh yeah, some tension on that. Leave that for a few minutes. Strap that up. Is this what all YouTubing people feel like? Stick that in there. Give it a few minutes, I reckon. In fact, no, I'm going to turn it off because there's some heat in that. Just get a few minutes. I'm looking forward to doing this clock. Let me just grab it and I'll show it you. Because I love this clock. but I plan on modernising it a bit, just turning it all black, I think, like a gloss black. This pretty cool, pretty cool. Could have taken that off actually. Let's take that off. Still, I think he's got chime on this. I may be wrong. Oh yes, she's got chime. Oh, I'm looking, I can see it there. It's pendulum where it were. See if I can make it chime. And it's got another one. Pretty, I've already fixed some bits up on it. Not ideal stuff to use. Oops, some there. Alright, Logan. You doing, mate? Babby's come out in garden because we're not trampoline. I don't know if I like this finish though. I feel like I could put something on it. Yep, so I'll unpress that now and see what it looks like. I can't believe I've been recording 42 minutes nearly. Hey, it smells a bit funky, this I might have burnt it. Hopefully not. No. And believe me, this is red hot. Red hot. Get steam off there. Woo! Oh yeah. Woo! She's warm. Ah. Damn, it's warm. Right, put that on there. Put these plates on there, they're a bit wonky them actually. Put plenty of weight on it. There's a big box of screws on here. Shouldn't run our way once it's cooled down then. Yeah. Screws for days. Screws for days. I know I need to tidy up a bit. I did actually tidy up a bit over there because I couldn't even move in here. What's up, mate? Yeah? Cool. Bobby kicking off because he's got spiders in his bedroom. He don't like spiders. Yeah, I think that's going to be about it. I'm trying to think of something to say, but let's have a look at these. I struggle with communication and all that bullshit. You can hear it a bit crunchy. You can see they're nice and crisper. This one's flattening back over now, like this. I'll leave some weight on it. These alloy plates are pretty heavy, the same. I'll do the same with this one. As you can even see this. I don't know if my videos are going to be garbage or what. I don't even know if anybody will look at them, but I can always give it a try. Jesus, feels like a piece of wood. Feels like that. Feels like a piece of wood. It's stiff. Look at it. Listen. I think we'll better open pages up so they don't all stick together. just so it folds easy and don't kink. Yeah, she's alright. I mean, it's an old book, so there's grease in it. What was that? Ew. There's a lot of pages to go through. Yeah, I don't know what you do about YouTube. I think you have to, I'll probably put this video on later or something, and then you have to like subscribe or something, or like it. Well, make sure you keep heads up, because if you like projects, I think you'll like some of my projects. I know that. Keep that on there. It's not looking promising, that book. It seems to be a bit sticky. I think it's just been sat in a garage for a long time, so I think it's a bit too far gone. Oh yeah, I like fixing watches as well. I've got loads of watches. I've got pocket watches. What else have I got? I've got all sorts. Oh yeah, I'm going to be doing some grip strength stuff as well, so I've got some Captains of Crunch, so I'm going to try. I can close I think it's a 2.5, so I might do a video on that as well. So I like watching arm wrestling and all that crap. Let's go for my next project. So look, I think it's going to be this clock, or I might even do this one, this little clock in the night clock, because I'm going to get it out and show you, because I love this clock. It's this. It's a 8-bit of kit. Oh, it's heavy as well. Very heavy. I could do a key for it as well. Let me turn it round. I'll tear it away. Bit dusty, it does clean up. Old clocking in that. It were in pieces when I bought it. Luckily, all bits were in bag for it, so I can't believe how much is going on in here. It's just loads and loads. Just wants a plate on here. It's meant to be tamper free, so it's like a lockbox. We'll eventually have this in my house at some point. Yeah, so if you like my videos and you want to see one, keep watching them. Keep whatever you do, subscribe to it or like them. Thanks and bye.